You know, one of the things we get requests for more than anything else is for dinner ideas that help us get out of that supper time rut. And yes, we all get stuck in it every now and then. Besides looking for something different, we want something that's quick and easy. Here's the perfect idea to get you started. We begin by placing a single layer of large raw shrimp in a baking dish. Then we set it aside for a sec while we mix together a stick of melted butter, some Worcestershire sauce, a bit of minced garlic, ground red pepper, chili powder, and a bit of salt and pepper. We pour this over our shrimp before popping it into a very hot oven. While that roasts, we can whip up some rice to serve this over, and dinner is done. Since this is roasted with lots of spices, instead of being sauteed, we end up with a really rich flavor. To get the recipe for our Louisiana Shrimp Bake, which has the most incredible buttery sauce you've ever tasted, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a buttery Nolan's kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Good.